The moment you enter, everything shifts.
Perched above Woods Cove, where the coastline curves into an endless blue,
stands a sanctuary designed by Laguna Beach's renowned architect, Mark Singer.
a master of coastal modern architecture.
Known for shaping light, space, and serenity into sculpture.
Floor-to-ceiling glass dissolves the boundary between inside and horizon. Catalina rests in the distance, the Pacific shimmers below. The primary suite floats above it all.
And mornings begin with soft coastal light.
And evening ends with city lights dancing on the water. The primary bath features heated floors, vaulted ceiling, and feels like a spa.
The kitchen opens up to the great room.
Spaces are designed not just to cook, but to gather. Downstairs, movie nights unfold against an ocean backdrop. An 800-bottle wine cellar waits for celebration. Every guest suite opens to its own terrace, its own view, its own quiet moment. Powered by fully owned Tesla Solar, the home blends sustainability with sophistication. This isn't simply a home, it's an architecture.
It's artistry. It's living above the waves, just moments from the heart of Laguna Beach.
Some places you visit, others change the way you live.